Good morning. Welcome back to Fishing with T-ravis. I'm out here on Archer Lake. This is actually marble, but all I got to do is go through the canal over there, and I'll be fishing Archer today. And I'm going to spare you the rest of the boring details till later in the video. Let's just get to fishing and putting some in the boat. Got him! Fish one of the day on cast one. Bessie! Oh, playing games over here. Should be one under this tree, I would think. Maybe not. Fishy number 2. Alright, I missed the hookup, but we got a nice one on the line early in the morning. Ooh, look at that bassie. This is better than anything I've caught the last couple of weeks. And that's why I'm here today. So finally to the boring where, why, and how, and whatever. So I'm here at Archer Lake, part of the Marble Lake chain today, because I haven't caught a big one in a while. And the last time I was here, I caught a bunch of decent fish and a couple big ones. So that's the goal today, to put a big one in the boat. And by big, I mean 4-pounder plus. So I'm gonna, I just had it sitting in the water and one come up and stole my tail. What the heck? Anyways, I'm gonna go try to put the big one in the boat now. Okay, so that was fish 5 caught here on the perch jerkbait. I was literally only gonna cast it one time, but then that fish hit. Sadly, the record button, I missed one. The record button didn't work on that nice fish, but Perchy's gonna get a few more tries now. I was gonna switch to a shad color because there's a bunch of shad just going nuts up here in the shallows, but we'll give Perchy a few more tries here. Oh, Perchy's got one, folks. Perchy's got one. Got to tighten up the drag. Just a small one. But Perchy has caught another bassie. Bassie 7 of the day. I haven't even been out here 45 minutes and we're 7 fish deep. That's good stuff. Aww. He let go. Oh! Pike, 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 pike. Don't want to lose my fingers. Don't want to lose my fingers. Where? Oh no, don't tell me they fell out. Oh, that's bad news. Oh, that's real bad news. So, don't have my unhookers with me. So, we're just going to try to do this by hand without getting absolutely eaten by his teeth. Got him. Good stuff. Yeah, don't know where my hemostats are for unhooking fish, but that could be a problem. Okay, so for most of the morning, I've been fishing this shad colored swim bait or this shad kind of jerk bait just in the shallow post-spawn flats, because with the 100-degree temps we had this week, the shallows are finally warming up, and as you can tell, the fish are finally biting. But you know, I've kind of lost the shad here, but there is a little inlet up here where there should either be shad or just some shallow post-spawn bass hungry and ready to bite. Oh my gosh, just a little one. I think it's just a little one. So sadly, I didn't catch any back in the lagoon. It was a lot more shallow than I remember, and even though I could see some fish swimming around, I couldn't catch any, which was kind of frustrating. But we're moving back out to the lake and hopefully on to my next fish. Oh, I got him. I got him. I thought I... Oh, it's a freaking bluegill. A bluegill! I have no clue why, but all of a sudden it is just blowing like a bit. What is this? What is this? Should I just throw this back out for bait? I mean, I might catch a bigger fish if I throw this back out. Get bigger! Alright, I was just reeling it back to the boat, and a freaking huge one just came up and smoked it. Whoa. I don't think this is quite my big one of the day, but we're getting closer. I think we're in the 2-pound range. Thanks, buddy. Ah, little one. Okay, so I haven't caught a fish in a while because decidedly me and the fish are both upset with how windy it is, because the wind has just been absolutely rocketing me around the lake, and the fish have not been biting here lately. So yeah, there's that. Oh, I think we got a decent one on, folks. Decent one on. Yeah, he was acting like a little one at first, but he is pretty decent. Come here, buddy. Ah, good hook right there. Not bad, not great, but you know, first fish in a while, so happy about that, baby. Happy about that. All right, as you can tell, I've worked back into a little cove here. The wind, you know, is just getting a little too much for me. You know, I'm in this nice little cove away from the wind. Caught fish number about 16 of the day, if you're concerned about that, and basically still just been fishing those shad color, those baits that imitate shad, and now that I'm back here fishing just a weightless bluegill colored worm that always seems to work, and still looking for that really big one, but I've caught a lot of nice ones so far, and hopefully I can keep doing it. It's only like 9 a.m. so it's early, and caught a lot of fish. Back to it. Couple casts later, little, he's gone, little bassy. Couple casts later, good stuff. Fish on, baby, fish on. Woo, he's swimming towards me. Oh, bassy, oh, bassy. Come back here, buddy, wrong way. He's a feisty one. Bassy. Ooh, feisty. Oh, another nice basser. Oh, nice fish on. Oh, buddy, come here. Oh, calm down. Whoo! Another about 2-pounder. Size is definitely up from the other lakes I've been fishing lately. Quantity is not down though. Ooh, nice bassy. Oh, come here, buddy. Oh, yeah, got him. Got him. All right, found a new little canal nookie thing away from the wind, and another nice bassy. About fished 25 of the day, but still looking for that 4+ pounder. Hopefully get it soon. Okay, so the winds continue to pick up. The big boats are out in the lake causing a lot of wake, and the bite has kind of died down. So it looks like, sadly, I'm not going to catch my 4+ pounder today, but I can't complain. I caught a lot of fish and a lot of good fish, and there's nothing more you can do than put yourself at a lake where you know you can catch big ones, pick the right pattern where you're catching fish, and then sometimes you're just missing that last factor in catching big fish, and that's just luck as far as I'm concerned. But I had a good time. Hope you enjoyed, and that's all for fishing with T-ravis.